I never realized how many people completely disregard splash blocks until I became a real estate agent. After going to hundreds and hundreds of home inspections, I'd say over 70% of homes I see don't have them at all. Dumping rain from your gutters right next to your house? Not a good idea. Here's the unfortunate fact that you might not know. Your home's concrete foundation isn't waterproof. In fact, it's porous, which means water can penetrate it. And if it rains hard enough, you're likely going to get some water in your crawl space, and worse, possibly fluctuate the size of your foundation, which can cause cracks and settling. Those are bad. But boy, do I have good news for you. A device exists right now that pushes water away from the house. And installing it is, without a doubt, the easiest project on our top 30 list. Splash blocks run between $15 and $30, and literally, all you've got to do is set it under your downspouts. Done. Hey, thank you for watching this episode. See you on the next video where we tackle fire extinguishers in your house. We'll see you then.